Good morning, YouTube. This is just going to be a quick video showing how to charge up my Beeman pellet gun, the PCP pellet gun that I had bought. My dad had inquired. He just wanted to see a quick video on how it's done. So what I did is when I bought the gun, I went on Amazon and just searched PCP hand pumps, and this was just probably the cheapest. I don't know what the brand name is. It works just fine, and as you can see, it's just like a bicycle pump. However, it's high pressure. They say it goes up quite a bit, but I don't know. When I get up to about 3,000 psi, it's hard. So basically what happens is it's got a quick connect, so you just put this in like that, make sure it's all the way on. Another important thing is it's got this pressure release valve, which I'm going to tighten up because I'm about to put air in the gun. As you can see from my last video, I had shot 10 shots at one magazine, so that took half the power out. So we're going to recharge it up to the other half. So on these Beemans, it comes with the female adapter, or I'm sorry, that's the male adapter, and then I've got the female thing on here. So all I got to do, I'll show you. All right. Sorry, I'm doing this while holding everything with my hand, so it's a little awkward for me. I usually have it on my head. So this, actually we're going to put it on the chair over here, just because it's a little bit lower. All right. So this just hooks onto here, like that. Just make sure it's tight. Make sure you got this tight down there. That's the release valve for the air. And then it's basically just pumping like you would a bicycle. Now the first couple of pumps are easy until you'll see when it starts to get hard here. So now we're just about getting to the point of where it's getting to be a little difficult. So I'll set you right over there. I find nice, slow, even strokes with the pump is the best way to do it. And when I get down to the bottom, it is very, very, look at it, it almost supports my whole weight. I gotta just put my whole weight on it and let that force it down. And that forces the high pressure air into the gun. So it's really not difficult. So this is, all of these strokes here are just to replace the 10 shots that I took. And we're almost there, just a couple more. There. So you can see, or maybe you can see I got it right back up to where they want it. So, and then just because there's a whole bunch of pressure in this hose here, before you take it off the gun, you got to release the air from that hose. There we go. Now it's safe to take off. And there, you're ready to shoot again. So, is it difficult? I mean, it's a workout, but if an old fat man that's out of shape like me can do it, anybody can do it. I'm sure you can hear I'm breathing hard. But, I mean, it's a cheaper option. I am thinking about getting a pellet gun next year. I'm starting to save money for it. That's actually big enough to deer hunt with. It's a 50 caliber. And when I get that, I'm probably going to have to get an air compressor, a special high pressure air compressor, which will make filling up these guns a lot easier. But for this gun, this hand pump, it's very portable. I had it out at the farm with me in case I wanted to shoot some more. And that's all there is to it. So super easy. I mean, it's a little bit of a workout. I'm sweating right now, but super easy. I think that pump was like $45 or something like that. So a lot cheaper than the air compressors. So there you go, Jeff. That's how you fill it up. And the fun part is shooting this. I'm probably going to take a couple of shots now inside here and then probably go for a motorcycle ride. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.